Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I wanted to do something bold, something dark, because I really wanted to do a black lip. So I came up with this makeup look. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so of course we're starting off with my brows already filled in, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer as always. For eyes today, I'm going to be taking this Almar Cosmetics palette. It is called the Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. This came in one of my boxy charms, and this is how the palette looks. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to be sticking to the shades down here, these matte shades. And I'm going to start off with taking this purple shade right here. It is called... Okay, I'm not even gonna butcher the name of this, but I'm gonna take this purple shade right here and I'm gonna put this on my lid. And I'm taking this flat brush to apply this shadow. I honestly hate when eyeshadow palettes don't come with mirrors. It's like, I get it that I have a mirror with other palettes, but it's just easier if I can just use this palette and look in the mirror, but no, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this purple all on my eyelid. Just packing that on. Now I'm going to be taking this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Tropico, and I'm going to be applying that as my transition, even though we started off with the lid first. I'm doing something different, but I think it's gonna work out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I said my transition, I'm gonna just say apply that in my crease as my transition. I guess the same thing, whatever. Just gonna go ahead and blend that in. And I'm going to go ahead and move into this Morphe M4112. It's more like a pointed blending brush, and it's a little bit more dense. And I'm going to take the shade right here, this brown shade called Cafecito, and I'm going to be applying that in my crease to darken it up just a tad. Now I'm going to go back in with that first shade, the purple one, and I'm going to be putting that back on my crease just to make it a little bit more darker. I'm sorry, I said a crease. Put it on my lid. You guys know what I mean. Now going back in with the Morphe M330 brush. This brush is more fluffy. I have no product on this brush. I'm just going to be blending just to make sure that everything is blended. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming with my NYX Angel Veil Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer with my damp sponge. Now I'm going to set that concealer with my Black Radiance True Complexion setting powder. And this is in the shade Banana. I'm not going to necessarily bake because the last time I baked with this powder, my under eyes was so dry. I look like an old crackling woman. So I'm just going to dab it on. I'm not going to bake. Now I'm going to contour with my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm taking the dark and the light shade. I'm just going to mix these two to contour. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to be taking this Morphe M431 bullet brush, and I'm going to take the purple shade and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back and take that brown shade and I'm going to apply that just on the outer part of my eye. I feel like I'm going so fast. Like, I'm only at 20 minutes, okay. 20 minutes real time, by the way. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes to prep for my falsies. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. So now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. For lips, I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner in the shade Uninvited. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look and enjoyed watching me put this makeup on. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below. Comment some black hearts in the comment section so that I know that you guys watched the video. Thank you so much for all your support and I will see you guys in the next one.